If you want to learn how to make good homemade chips just like these, stay tuned to the video, baby. These are so good. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Tommy's Kitchen. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to make homemade tortilla chips. I always wondered how to make a homemade tortilla chip. So I went searching on the internet and I found a pretty simple recipe on how to make it. So now let's hop over to the ingredients table and I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need to use. Alright everyone, this is all the stuff that you're going to be needing to use. First thing you're going to be needing to use is a deep fryer. If you don't have a fryer, you can always use a regular pot and just put the oil in there and let it heat up to the proper temperature. And other than the deep fryer, you're going to be needing some kosher salt to put salt on your chips after. And if you want your chips to have like a lime taste to it, gotta get yourself a lime. Nice cutting board to cut up the tortillas. And you're going to be needing to use oil. So what we got here today is a white corn tortillas and yellow corn tortillas. The recipe said you can use both, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it by using both. Alrighty guys, the first set of tortilla chips that we're going to be making are the yellow corn ones. So I'm going to give this a try raw, see what it tastes like. Ugh! That's freaking gross. Ugh! Alright. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be cutting all these up so they look like corn, so they look like the chips. Everything, you're going to take your oil and your fryer, or if you're not using the fryer, you're using a pot. Put your oil in the pot, turn it up to high, and let it get nice and hot and boiling. So now we're going to plug in our fryer, and you're going to want to preheat to 375 degrees. And we're going to put our corn oil in. Alrighty guys, as you guys just saw in that last clip, we ran out of corn oil, so I went to the store, picked up some more. So now let me get home and then we'll pick things back up right where we left off. Alrighty guys, as you guys just saw, we had to go pick up some more corn oil because we ran out. So what we're going to do now is finish filling up. I'm going to fill up to where yours has the limiter where it's supposed to be. Alrighty, so now that your thing's filled up with oil, you just gotta let it preheat to 375 degrees. Once that happens, we're gonna start cooking our first batch of tortilla chips. Alrighty guys, so now that everything's all heated up, you're gonna wanna take this out. You're just gonna wanna get your chip thingies in there. And then once they all go in, actually, you're going to have to do a batch at a time, but once they're all in, you're going to want to keep it in there, keep an eye on it, wait till it starts to get hard and like a crispy color, and then you're going to take them out. There we go. Alrighty guys, it was a lot shorter than expected, so this has probably been like a minute, not even. So now you're gonna take your chips out. It just smells pretty good. Alrighty, so now you want to get this grease off. So you want to spread these out. Kind of just damp everything good. And then once you're done with that, take some of your kosher salt, sprinkle it on. Let's test one out. It's actually really good. So if you want some lime flavor to it, cut up a nice lime. Good stuff. Alrighty guys, so now that we finished the yellow corn tortillas, we're going to try the white corn tortillas, fry them up too, and then taste them, see if there's any difference. Alright guys, I did actually try one of these raw too. It's disgusting, don't do it. Alright, so now that our oil's already preheated from doing the last batch, now I'm going to put it in, same way. Alrighty guys, now these are done. You can see that they are a different color looking, and they're still getting dark. Alright, same thing like last time. You want to take off this oil, just dab it out. Take your salt. Let's try one with the salt. Alright, put your lime on. The lime makes it so much better. It's good, the lime just brings it up to like the next. Alright, so now that you're done, call over a batch of friends. Alright, Paro. Oh man. If only I had some fresh guacamole and some fresh salsa to go with this. Stay tuned to the next video. Alright everybody, that is how you make tortilla chips in your own home. So that wraps up today's video. If you like this video, please make sure you smash that like button. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you want to stay up to date of whenever I post a video, please hit that bell button. And please share this video with your friends. Alright everybody, hope every one of you guys have a splendid rest of your day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.